here I am today with two boxes. My latest Rowan berry box and my monthly tea club. I'm squeezed in here amongst presents. Okay, my name's Fawn and this is my channel, and if you like what you see and you like a chat, then please do give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and leave me a comment. So I decided to double up on these because they're not the biggest boxes in the world. In fact, monthly tea club, there is just a t-shirt, so I think I'll do that one first. I do enjoy it though, I have to say, and if I don't like the t-shirt, one of the kids does, but so far I've been happy. Oh, it's blue this week. This month. There we go. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? Do you know, that design looks very like the one I had on last month's t-shirt, but I think last month's t-shirt was white, I want to say. But isn't that pretty? I like that colour. And it's a fish. A fish amongst flowers. Yes, very me. And in fact, yeah, that colour is one that I like a lot. So I'm happy with that. And now let's get to Rowan berry box. Yeah, Rowan. I always want to say Rowan tree box and it's not. It's Rowan berry box. This is only the second one I will have had. Because as you know, it was new to my channel last month. And I've just... I haven't figured out how to open the box in a nice way yet. So I've just torn it beautifully. I hope I haven't torn what's inside. No, here we go. It's coming. Right, and so there it is. So I've got my leaflet to freshly picked monthly fix. All the usual things, the secret Facebook group, checking that everything's okay. And here we go. So the box this month has been designed by Lisa Kirkbride, who is a graphic designer, illustrator and pattern designer living in sunny Whitley Bay in the northeast of England. Her graphic pattern style is heavily influenced by a background in graphic design, and this is reflected in her designs, which are bold, vibrant and fun. Lisa is inspired by Scandinavian design and 1950s vintage fabrics and wall hangings. She is driven by her love for creating patterns, especially florals, while exploring new colour combinations that catch the eye. Ultimately, Lisa loves to make art that makes people smile. That's really interesting. I always love to know where these things come from. So here we go. So this month, ooh, it does look nice. Look at all the pretty things in there. Isn't that pretty? So we've got washi tape, as always. This has got, I'm saying as always, but I mean all the stationery boxes seem to put washi tape in these days. This has got, I can't make up my mind whether that's leaves or hearts. Heart-shaped leaves? I'm not entirely sure. Then some really nice pens. Look at this gold one, a glittery green one, and a glittery blue one. Very nice. I'm just going to write on the cardboard a minute. Oh yeah, they are. Oh, the gold's lovely. Really nice for writing to friends. I now have friends to write to. A tiny little, look at that, a little to-do pad. That's fabulous. You know when you just go pop down the one or two little things you've got to do when you go out? Like the sizes of batteries or the length of something. I try to put them in the phone, but quite often forget. So that's really good. There's a leaflet explaining it all. Then there is a rather gorgeous bookmark. Look at that. It's got a beautiful navy tassel. You can see how lovely that is. That's really lovely. So leaves and green and sort of garden seems to be the way of it this month. Got some really pretty stickers. Little flower bouquet stickers. A little pouch full of the cutest little paper clips. I believe they're paper clips. I'll probably get them out now and there's something else. But they look like paper clips. Yes, they are. Look how pretty those paper clips are. They're shaped like hearts. I don't know if you can actually see that or not, but that's really lovely. And a little pouch, so I suppose there must be 6 or 8 in there. Then we have, it's still going, then we have 2 cards with envelopes. Do they say anything inside? Oh no, they're like the postcard type, but envelopes for privacy. Aren't they pretty to send little notes to friends? 2 of those. That's the other one. And let me see. Oh, I am a dope. I've done it again. I always do this box wrong. Hang on. There's the month of January to hang up. It was me going, oh, postcards to put in thingy for private. No, no, no. They are postcards. And then you have actual cards that go in the envelopes. Oh, ladies, I'm not getting any better, am I, really? But I like that. And look, it says thank you on it. So that is perfect for those girls who've sent me gifts. I'm really excited. One moment. Do they both say that? Yeah, and they both say it. They both say thank you. So that's it. So let me just try again. 2 thank you cards. 2 postcards. So all in this really pretty print. And then 2 blue envelopes. That's what I've been trying to say for the last 3 minutes. The month of January. And it is pretty, the blue and green. A couple of stickers to decorate January in my bullet journal. A bookmark. I'm always using bookmarks. I'm always reading books. A little to-do pad. The washi tape. The sort of heart-shaped paper clips. And 3 gorgeous gel pens. So that was my Rowan berry box. And this was my monthly tea club. You'd think I'd been drinking, wouldn't you? And I haven't. I'm just, you know, I'm at that sort of slightly frantic stage. I've wrapped all these presents. There's big bags everywhere. See, I'm leaning on some. Christmas is coming really, really fast, and I'm not really bright. Anyway, I'll see you again soon. Bye, guys.